To add an entirely new page to our website, open a new tab and type in your domain. When you're logged into your WordPress account, you'll be able to see the WP admin bar up here at the top. In the WordPress admin bar, click New, then Page. Here we can rename our page, and then click Publish. If we view our page, it's just bare bones for now. To edit this new page, click Edit Page, then Edit with Elementor. Then you can use the drag and drop functionality to build your page by dragging in the widgets found on the left. I can add and then edit a heading. Then I can add another element, and I can drag in an image. And then I can upload a new image there, just like we've done before. To speed things up dramatically, you could also import a template from the template library. Scroll down and click the Starter Templates icon, and then find a page that you'd like to import. If you want, you can search. I'll type outdoor, select one you like, then click Import Template. After that imports, remove any containers that you don't need. And then you can publish the changes and preview your page if you would like. Now this new page cannot yet be found in our navigation menu. To add it, click Customize, select Menus, and then Main Menu. We can click Add Items, and then we can select our new page to add it to the menu. And we can publish once more.